So guys, here it is after finishing, and you can see that laugh of Sinchan always makes me laugh, and you can see the head is jiggling so nicely. My god, it is even turning the head. Oh, a complete rotation. Yay! Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Oh, it is so much fun. And you can even turn the head upwards, or you can turn the head downwards, and he will see in front and back. And oh my god, I am just in love with this DIY toy. You see, jiggle, 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 and whenever the head will tilt like this, you can just make any position with the head. Hi there, please subscribe to my channel and learn how to make the jiggly head Sinchan. Hello guys, and today I'm going to make something from this old bulb. As you can see, this is very old piece of LED bulb, and I'm going to use this part of the bulb. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this. There's a very easy way to do this. What we can say, just hit it at the bottom of a hard surface and this plastic part will come out easily. And literally I just played football with this bulb to remove it, the upper part. It doesn't damage the plastic part because I don't know, it doesn't damage it. So I just hit it with the surface very hard and literally just played a football or kickboxing with it, and this part just came out. So I have taken out this one. I've taken out this one. As you can see, after being separated, this part will come out and this will be left. This we will use in another video, so I'm keeping it for next video. And this part we will use. So I have this. 1 minute guys. Oops. So I have these three. As you can see, this one is more rounded. It was a very little bit higher power bulb, and these were the smaller ones. So first of all, don't see my nails. I'm just fed up of painting them, and every time I paint and then I will make something, the nail polish just comes off of my nails and I can't handle it. Okay. So for painting this bulbs, I am using my favorite colors, that is Fevicrylic acrylic colors. These are cheap, affordable. One bottle comes around of 20 rupees, and I am going to use this color. And for you, I am going to play a music so that you can enjoy my time lapse. Okay. Okay, so we will divide the body in three parts. So for the first part, that is the lower bottom part, I'm using the yellow color. For the shirt part, I'm using the red color. And last is the head. For head, I have used the biggest one because it will give the more wobble or jiggle to the head. And I have applied almost 2 coats of each paint. I have to apply actually 3, but I thought, actually I was lazy. So I just applied only 2 coats, and now I'm using the black color for detailing. I want to give this a cartoony look as it was in original Sinchan, and I want to make it easy and simple DIY. I don't want to make it too much complex that nobody can try it at home. So I'm not using any kind of clay or anything, just simple painting. You can draw however you like. Everybody knows how to draw Sinchan, at least according to me. I don't know. So I'm giving him a very big smile, and I just love the smile of Sinchan. It always means inspire me to be happy in my own world. So I love this cartoon. I still watch it. And now I will just mark the head, that where it will position, and then I will just draw the hands. Here also I am just keeping it very simple, cartoony kind of look, not something extraordinary. And now for the pants. The pants I have painted in a very, what we can say, unique way, I can say. I love the bottom part of this pant. Okay. So now we will take a piece of cardboard and a scissor. This is not actually cardboard, it is cardstock, a thick kind of paper. And I will use this to make a cone shape. And believe me, it was the toughest part of this whole DIY, because making the cone of out of the cardboard is difficult. And after making the cone, just secure it with some tape. Here I am using paper tape so that I can paint over it. And now start measuring that where you want your neck of the jiggle head toy. I am just marking it with the paintbrush. And don't just cut larger section, try to cut smaller section of it, so that every time you can measure it, that how much jiggle it is giving and how much rotation it is giving. So according to that, cut, measure. It is a trial and error method, I can say. So when I was satisfied with the height, then I have just glued it. I'm just checking whether it is jiggling nicely or not. Actually, I'm playing football again. Okay, so I think it is jiggling all right. So I will just add the hot glue. If you don't have hot glue, you can use strong glue like Fevikwik. Fevikwik is very strong glue in India. We all use it. And now I'm just... Okay guys, after painting, here it is. I will show you. I am just playing with this, and as you can see, it is just dancing and moving and what not. You see, I can make it dance. Jiggly, 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 jiggly. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. And it is so cute. Oh my god. Even when I switch on the fan, then it also jiggles very lightly. And you can just move this head like down, and then also it will jiggle. See, a complete turn. And round and round and round and round. I can't stop playing with this. It is so cute and easy.